Greetings, I am Mary. I am Mary. Universal Mother, in the largest sense of the word. Welcome, my beloved children. Angels of light, angels of love, anchors of light, anchors of love, uplifters, weightlifters, yes, bodybuilders, bodybuilders of the conscious collective. You are doing spectacularly well, individually and collectively. Do not, my beloved children, underestimate the truth, the might, the sweetness, the gentleness of your being. Yes, your strength is in your stamina, in your persistence, in your consistency. But your strength is also in your humility, in your compassion, in your sweetness, in your gentleness. You are not aggressive, but sweet angels of light, you are clear. I have not brought to the forefront your divine authority, your divine knowing, your inspired self, your ascended self, merely as having delightful new terms in which to chat about. I say this, and the Father has said this, and your guides have said this, and Michael and Gabriel and Uriel have said this. You have been entrusted not merely, how some would say, the keys to the kingdom. Or what does it mean to have keys? No, you have been entrusted with the responsibility, the honor of truly showing the way. Not of entering into the palace and locking the door, but of literally going out into the countryside, whether the countryside is an alpine meadow or a city street. You are going out and you are gathering your brothers and sisters, whether they are star beings or hybrids or humans or earth keepers. You are gathering in unity and community. It is not about uniformity. I did not create, Gaia did not assume a form of simple singularity, of uniformity. This planet, in all her diversity, in all her splendor, in all her beauty and might, quietude and certitude, and vitality, she exhibits to you as we exhibit to you the power, the sweetness, the splendor of diversity. Beloveds, in so many ways, it is so much easier to embrace those not only that are close to your heart, because we say embrace them, but when you embrace like-minded, like-hearted, it fills you, it restores you, it reinforces you. But I ask of you, I plead with you, I deputize you to also look for those who are not like you. In society, in race, in creed, in beliefs, in social status, go and gather these sweet beings, children also of my heart, and gather them to you, not to regiment them, not to make them have to be uniform in lockstep, but to celebrate the truth of each person's heart. Yes, there is only one truth, but there are infinite expressions in each unique being, whether it is here on Arcturus or CCC. Each being, when they anchor, when they are given permission, when they are shown and taught and instructed and mentored to find that truth of their heart, then they progress. Then they join with you, not because they have been inducted or instructed to behave in a certain way, but because they want what their heart has always wanted and yearned for. They want to be part of the love. Long ago we have said, I have said to thee, the keys to heaven are love, trust, forgiveness, unity, connectedness, and balance. Now what I say to you is that the keys to Gaia, the keys to your heart, the keys to the future of Nova Earth that you are birthing right now are love, trust, and forgiveness, unity, connectedness, and balance. You are my way showers. You are my pathfinders. You are the dearest ones of my heart. I trust you. Not only have I entrusted this path to you, I do so because I trust you, because I know you, because I love you. So go with my love, and go and create peace in your time, in your now, drawing upon my infinite ocean, not only of time, but of potential. It is all right there in front of you. You are being given all you need and all you will ever need. Go with my love. Farewell.